Y'all probably saw yesterday we went shopping for a new light for the laundry room slash pantry area, and I picked this light out. Let me see if I can show y'all. I'm gonna put it on the right side. Oh, don't want to slam it. Okay, so this is what the light is supposed to look like. Now that I have it home and I'm trying to like get a visual, I don't really like this light, y'all. I don't know, it's cute or whatever, but I think I have to go out anyways today. While I'm out, I'm gonna stop at another Lowe's and I'm gonna bring my receipt that I had with this one, and I'm gonna see if I can like find the light that I wanted, because I think this is gonna be too little. I'm gonna show y'all what was there in the laundry room slash pantry area in a minute. So, but yeah, I don't know, y'all. Okay, so right here we have this fluorescent looking light that was in here, and it helps to make it really super bright, but it goes out too much. Like we have to replace it so much, and I don't like it. So my husband's like, yeah, he's just gonna replace the whole thing and we're just gonna put a new light in here. So from y'all, tell me what you think, because I don't know. Like, I'm hoping that, I don't know, y'all. I think that light that I just showed y'all is gonna be like too tiny to go right here. I think it's gonna look too little. So just let me know what y'all think in the comments. These are the two lights right here. So you have these fluorescent lights right here. Good morning, y'all. I'm up this morning giving Wilbur some leftovers, y'all. I'm not gonna give him the steak with the bones in there, but we just had like some tamales left, so I'm just gonna give it to him. He's over here. Let me go. Wilbur. 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 Wilbur, I got some tamales for you. Here, right here. Look. Whoa. But hold on, let me. Hold on. There ain't nothing left in here. Let me get these bones to Max. He's over here. Y'all, he eats so much. Wilbur eats all day, every day. I'm here with the girls. We're about to go ahead and get lunch here at Rotolo's. It's like our favorite place to get pizza, and of course the salad is so good here. Let me go ahead and wake them up and we're gonna get in here. I'm so hungry. I really came for the salad, y'all. The salad is so good here, but yeah, I'll see y'all when we get in.
Oh, we have the same blue, yours horsey.
I just made it back home. I am now about to just relax and watch some Netflix. Last movie or show that I watched on Netflix was what's the name of that show? No Good Deed. So it was No Good Deed, y'all. that show is funny. So I finished that, No Good Deed, and then now I'm trying to find something else to watch that's good and that can keep my attention, because I do not like anything that's slow and, you know, doesn't get to the point right away. Like what was that, Carry On? The movie Carry On? It was like the movie Carry On. I felt like it was very slow. at the beginning, and then it got, you know, it got better as the movie went on. But I was like, yeah, come on. I have my heater like right here on me. I hope y'all still can hear me because I have my heater right here. But I'm trying to see if this is a good show. Subservient, My Our Little Secret, Gossip Girl, I already seen those. Dexter. I don't know. What are y'all watching? What are y'all watching right now? I'm just gonna go ahead and find something to watch and call it a night. And probably start editing this vlog too. I'll probably upload the footage so I don't have much to, like, you know, upload on the actual computer. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, y'all. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. My husband's like working on the light in the laundry room. So maybe that'll be put up tonight. I don't know. But he's working on that right now. I'll see y'all tomorrow. If I'm doing anything. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
They're intentionally taking away the wealth of knowledge by this awful education system and allowing AI to think for us.
Hey y'all, so I've been in a bed mostly all day because Unfollow came this morning, and I'm just gonna lay down all day in a bed. So luckily the kitchen is clean. You know, I made breakfast this morning and whatnot, but oh, let me show you the light. So my husband ended up putting up the light, so I need to show y'all. So this is the laundry room in through here, and y'all remember the old light that was here? You can kind of see how it looked. I mean, you can kind of see like the lines, how, you know, how it was before, but with the fluorescent light. And then this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on. So cute. I love it. I love it, y'all. I'm so glad that I'm just glad that I decided to get this light in particular and not the other light that y'all saw earlier in the vlog. I'm just so happy I got this one. But yeah, it looks so much better in here now that we put this one in. But yeah, so that is that. The light is up and I'm so happy about that. Oh, my son is gonna be cooking dinner tonight. I have everything laid out over there. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I got squash, some potatoes, some tomatoes, some jasmine rice, and we also have this beef right here, beef for carne picada. And I have 2 of these because that's how much that feeds my family. A family of 5 for us. So got the cutting board out already, got the knife, onions, all that stuff. So pretty much got everything laid out for him. Oh, and then I also have this skillet, this pan he's gonna cook in right here. So, and then here's the beans that I was telling y'all about. Got that on. Oh, this is not food. This is just some tea right here. Hey you guys, happy Sunday. I am here currently uploading the New Year's Eve vlog. It's almost loading. I'm just trying to wait until it finishes so I can go run outside with everybody else. But you guys, about last night, my son was done cooking and then we went outside when my husband got back home from work, and he just went to put insulation or whatever you do to the pipes outside before the storm, and he covered up like the wires and stuff for the chickens. I'll show y'all once I get out there. But yeah, so I forgot to show when the food was done, like what it looked like and everything. So y'all, that's my fault. But the food was really, really good. He put his own seasoning and everything in it, and it was good. It was good. I'm about to go outside to show y'all how we're like preparing for this storm, winter storm. It says it's gonna be a storm, but y'all, when you look outside, it only rained this morning for like a little bit, and then it stopped raining. And then now it's just like gloomy, cloudy. It is what, 1:41. I want to have this vlog up at like 2 o'clock. I did already have it uploaded, y'all. I re-uploaded it because I'm learning more and more about this camera. So you can go in, tweak it when you like recording like D-Log or something, so to make the images sharper, brighter and stuff like that. And I'm like, wait, my video has probably been looking so dark, and y'all probably haven't noticed, but I just did some tweaks to the sharpness, clarity, and then just rose up the exposure just a little bit more, because in certain parts of the New Year's video it was like dark and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see how this turns out once I upload it. But yeah, you guys, let me stop talking and let me hurry up and go ahead and upload this video, and then I'm gonna go outside so I can show y'all what we've been doing for the chickens and, you know, everybody, the animals and stuff like that, so they won't be cold in this supposedly storm that we've been preparing for. So and then I'll keep y'all updated on that too, because right now it's just so clear outside. But yeah, all right, I'll see y'all later. Where is everybody? Yeah, I don't know where everyone is. If y'all remember, this part was open. My husband ended up closing it off. And this is Wilbert's little house. He sleeps back here. And we'll leave like this chunk of hay right here, so it can block the wind and stuff. But there's not much wind that comes in here anyways. So yeah, that's his little home. Let's go see if we can find everybody. I don't know where everybody is. Whew. But yeah, it's not too bad out here. Why is my face tracker not on? Oh, it's raining. Oh goodness. Let me run. It's raining. Ah! Yeah. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Okay, go ahead. What you shooting at?
The jar.
The who?
The jar.
The jar? Oh. Oh.
That's a jar of the pig.
Yeah. Hey, honey.
Where's your pig at?
I don't know. Oh, I thought he was back here. Wilbert,
He ran over the road again?
go check really quick. It would decide to start raining when I came outside. Okay. Out here. I can't believe it's raining. Wilbur. Now, why were you across the street? Over there sleeping in the fields like you don't have a home. It's just a shame, like you don't have a family. Uh-huh. You need a bath. Yes. Okay, Okay, so I made it back in the house. The girls want to make popcorn.
Wait, can I take a video of popcorn?
You want to take a video? Yeah, we'll do a video. She's talking about her own camera. She wants to. She wants to use her own camera. Hold on 1 second. Let me close this door. Okay. Let's see. Let's put it like this. Is it tracking? There we go.
Oh, a big square.
Here, I'll sit you up. You gotta bend down with her. All right, so we are going to. I didn't know it was gonna go on my side. So we are gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then I'm gonna show y'all how they make it. But I need to clean this first. Like, why is this dirty? Look at Wilbur. Wilbur. He hear me. Y'all, he hear me talking. Pigs are so smart. Wilbur. He's so smart. He's running to the door. He thinks I'm over here. He just be whining, y'all. Selena, can we get some screen time? Can we get in the video, girl? Can we get in the video? But yeah, so let's get started, okay? Let me clean this out first. Okay, there we go.
We need some
So we are just, let me just turn this off for a second because it's just gonna latch on everybody's face. There we go.
Okay,
So,
we got the butter.
We do? Okay, I'm gonna clean this out because it's dirty.
Look at
Let me figure out where, yeah, we're gonna clean this too. Where is my towel? Okay, here it is. So mommy's gonna clean this first.
mine. I don't want to play team popcorn. You're always get a lot. Small team.
Once you're done with the popcorn, it looks like this. It's kind of hot, so you gotta be careful.
Hello
you're gonna
again.
put this top on.
Hello again.
And then you're just gonna flip it over like this. And then, hold on. Take it. Ooh, some of it burnt a little bit. It's okay. Can you give me the salt, babe? So after that, you're just gonna like, so when you flip it over, it looks like this. So we're gonna put a little salt on here, you know, just a little while it's hot. Shake it up a little bit. Not too much salt, y'all, not too much. So we're taking this off. You know what, I didn't check the date on here, just to make sure. Let me see. What's that? What's that? What was that?
Oh, sorry.
Fireworks. All right, I'll go get them. So I'm gonna put everything in this instead of using this, because while they're eating, this could like fall off, and I don't want to just, you know, make any
10
messes. There we go. What is that? Hot paper.
Yeah, hot.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I'm just gonna pour everything in here, and then I'm just gonna shake a little bit more of this white cheddar on here, and just shake it up. See, you can get a good shake up in here with this. That is the dishwasher if you hear water. Okay. Just a little bit more. Now we can taste test. All right, let's try. Is it good? Okay. All right, y'all go in the room. Wait, no. Let me hold it. Okay, go.
Do you watch a movie?
Go ahead, put a movie on.
Yeah, that's scary movie.
No scary movie, no. But It is raining right now. The kids are watching a movie and eating popcorn. As y'all saw, I'm finna go in here and check on this vlog because I knew I was uploading it before I left. And yeah, so I don't know what else I'm doing, y'all. I ain't going back outside. Well, you know what? I need to go back outside because I gotta check on my pig and see where he is. It is pouring. I'm gonna show y'all when I go back out, but I'm not taking my camera. Probably just gonna take my phone. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. And I'll check in later. All right, bye. Right, did you get the text message?
No, what happened?
It's the National Weather Service in Memphis has been issued. It's just sent it to my phone. A severe thunderstorm warning. But it says until 4 o'clock. Y'all, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning. But it doesn't have my county on there. That's weird. It has everybody else county. Well, I guess you consider that as my county. I don't know. But it's until 4 o'clock. The weather storm, thunderstorm warning is until 4 o'clock, and it's 3:24 right now. So, will it do much damage? I don't know. In between now and when it happens. OMG. Just to give y'all an update, it is still raining outside really bad. And it's actually thundering. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all outside. I'm in here eating popcorn too. So I don't even know if you can see. Can you see? Oh, hold on. What's going on? Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can see that it's raining hard, but it's raining and thundering. So, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna freeze over. I don't know what it's gonna do. The kids have school tomorrow. I don't even know if they're gonna cancel school. I don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully this doesn't freeze over.
Will I be known and loved? Is it one that I trust? Starting to sober up. Has it been long enough? Will I be